All right. Well, good morning, everyone. We are very excited to be here on stage at Finovate again, and especially excited to share and launch the product of ConfiaIQ today. So we understand that creating and managing compliance programs is very, very difficult and time-consuming. Banks are faced with ongoing regulatory requirements, geographical nuances, internal processes that are amended, and in some cases, technology limitations. So today we are going to show you how quickly we can bring to market a compliance program and new lines of business fast and efficiently. My name is Mark Lotzi. With me is Dan Adamson, and we are the co-founders of ConfiaIQ. ConfiaIQ is an innovative AI-based platform that allows banks to create, assess, and manage compliance programs very swiftly, as well as automate the client risk and suitability assessments, driving efficiency across multiple departments within the organization. And so today, we want to understand why banks do need our solution to unlock the power of AI and automation across organization departments that are otherwise overlooked, often leading to very laborious processes, as well as the fundamentals. How do you reduce cost and overhead and drive revenue through efficiency and output? So in a matter of a few minutes today, we are going to demonstrate how we can bring to market an otherwise cumbersome compliance program and do so quickly and efficiently with our AI solution. Dan?
Great, thank you, Mark. Having created one of the first AI compliance solutions that's now in the hands of hundreds of compliance teams across the globe, we're really excited to show you this next generation solution. So one of the struggles that we see all the time is that there's so much documentation required to create these programs and maintain them. Regulations and guidelines change as well all the time, making it very difficult and cost prohibitive to go into especially higher risk or smaller lines of business or smaller geographies. We're here to change that today. So first off, we're going to show you that you can upload as a compliance team your centralized, in a centralized location, your general banking policies, guidelines around AML and compliance, as well as your codes of conducts, anything else relevant to your compliance programs, and then of course also any regulatory guidelines specific to your business that you must adhere to. So things like the BSA Act and FATCA recommendations. From there, let's dive in, and as Mark promised, get into a program level here. And this is where it gets exciting. So we can go in and create a program really quickly, and this can be around any line of business or geography. Let's, if I can type correctly, casino gambling. Let's go and create a new program. And we're then going to very quickly here, hopefully, go in and add in documentation that might be your policies or procedures or guidelines that you're starting to create around this program. And let's see, let's pick one. Let's pick some gaming requirements. And this is where the fun begins. So two things. We can take these and we can also then use that with the guidance to analyze the program that you've created and look for gaps. And that's great when you're creating a program. It's also great when the guidelines are changing. But I'm going to go further here, and let's bootstrap this. Another big problem is that a lot of that infrastructure to actually go and create a live program, starting from just those guidelines, is quite onerous with traditional technologies. We automate all of that with our AI. It's going to go in and look at your guidelines, all of the other program requirements, and it's going to create a questionnaire. Now that AI has kick-started here. It's going to take a minute. That would be a boring demo for you. So I'll come back to that and just go to an existing program here around, in this case, charitable organizations. Oh, I think that just came back, but I'll go back to that. So here it's now taken all of that and created a questionnaire that you can use in this case for pre-screening. And that's been automated. You can go through and edit that questionnaire, and it will track changes for you. It will also allow you to organize and at any time do that analysis to look for gaps, right? So now I've gone through, I've approved this, I'm going to preview it, approve it, kickstart it, and now we can run this live. This can be used to really simply expedite the pre-screening process, so you're not wasting time with clients that can never actually be onboarded. It can also be used for a full onboarding lifecycle, and we support different workflows. So now I'm going to jump over to the live program, and you can see here the richness of information that this can automatically collect, combined with the questionnaires that are either filled in by your client services teams or by your potential clients. It can generate all of this content for you. So I'm going to go into a sample profile here, and as you can see, there's a huge richness of information that can come back. It can help you collect the right documents, as well as look at the corporate structures, drill into the different entities, and look at the, of course, nature of business and the questionnaires that the clients have filled out that you have generated and reviewed through AI. So this really makes it very simple and seamless to go from conception to reconfirm all of your assumptions, create the program, launch it live. And this is very difficult stuff that we have now shown you in a matter of minutes can go live.
So just to kind of conclude and bring this to end, I think it's very evident to say that the compliance programs are time-consuming and challenging for banks. Not to mention the ongoing client risk and suitability assessments are complex and costly as well. And so ConfiaIQ's solution demonstrates that we bring these proactive controls and workflows to the forefront for institutions to allow them to really unlock what is otherwise a very complex and laborious process. And so we did that today through demonstrating enhanced controls, reduced cost, and really the ability to drive output through these different departments, whether it be sales or the compliance team on decisioning. But now you have a holistic view of information, compliance management in a single spot. So thank you very much. We hope you guys enjoyed the conference, and hope to see you at our booth. Thank you.